Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of buying property to rent as a landlord. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we'll explore the ins and outs of property investment, from understanding the rental market to identifying lucrative opportunities. We'll discuss the benefits of becoming a landlord, such as passive income and property appreciation, while also addressing the challenges you might face, like tenant management and maintenance costs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what it takes to succeed in the rental property business. Let's get started. Understanding the rental market. The rental market is currently experiencing dynamic shifts, with demand for rental properties soaring in urban areas and desirable suburbs. Factors such as job growth, lifestyle changes, and remote work trends are influencing where people choose to live. Rental prices are being driven by location, property amenities, and the overall economic climate. Tenants are increasingly favoring properties that offer convenience, such as proximity to public transport and local amenities. Additionally, multi-family homes and modern apartments with flexible spaces are among the most sought-after types of properties. Understanding these trends can help you make informed investment decisions in the rental market. Financing your property purchase. When it comes to buying rental properties, understanding your financing options is crucial. Budgeting and financial planning play a vital role in ensuring you can manage your investment effectively. One common route is securing a mortgage, with options like fixed-rate loans offering stability in monthly payments, while adjustable-rate loans may provide lower initial rates but can fluctuate over time. Additionally, the size of your down payment can significantly impact your mortgage terms and overall investment strategy. A larger down payment often leads to better loan conditions, making it essential to evaluate your financial situation and long-term goals before diving in. Choosing the right property. Selecting the best property for rental purposes is a critical step in your investment journey. Location is paramount. A thorough neighborhood analysis can reveal factors like safety, schools, and access to public transport that attract tenants. Key features such as modern amenities, sufficient square footage, and outdoor space can make your property more appealing. Additionally, consider the property's condition and any necessary repairs, as well as its potential for appreciation over time. A well-chosen property not only meets current tenant demands, but also positions you for long-term success in the rental market. Make informed decisions to maximize your investment. Legal considerations for landlords. As a landlord, understanding the legal aspects of your role is essential for a successful rental experience. Familiarizing yourself with local landlord-tenant laws ensures you comply with regulations regarding security deposits, eviction processes, and tenant rights. A well-drafted lease agreement is crucial, as it outlines the terms of the rental and protects both parties. Additionally, it's important to highlight tenant rights, which can vary by location. Proper insurance and liability coverage are also vital to safeguard your investment against potential risks, such as property damage or tenant injuries. Being informed legally can help you avoid costly disputes and ensure a smooth rental process. Managing your rental property. Effectively managing your rental properties is key to ensuring a positive experience for both you and your tenants. Start with thorough tenant screening and selection. This process helps you find reliable tenants who will respect your property and pay rent on time. Once tenants are in place, maintenance responsibilities become crucial. Regular property upkeep not only preserves your investment, but also fosters tenant satisfaction. Additionally, consider utilizing property management tools and software to streamline tasks such as rent collection, maintenance requests, and communication. These resources can save you time and help you stay organized, making property management more efficient and less stressful. Maximizing rental income. To increase your rental income and property value, consider implementing regular upgrades and renovations. These improvements not only enhance the appeal of your property, but can also justify higher rental rates. Setting competitive rental prices is crucial. Research local market trends to ensure your rates attract tenants while maximizing your returns. Additionally, explore alternative income streams, such as short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb, which can significantly boost your earnings. By combining property enhancements, strategic pricing, and diverse rental options, you can create a more profitable investment that stands out in the